Caroline. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm great. Oh, Caroline, that's so gross.
What? It's fine.
Oh, Caroline, you have to make sure to cover your cough or your sneeze, because if you don't, your germs spread out and can make your friends and family sick.
So how am I supposed to cover my cough or sneeze?
Well, the most important thing to do is to cover your cough, and you want to do that with your elbow. So like this, achoo, achoo, into the elbow.
Okay, so, oh, that makes sense. So if you sneeze on your hands and then you're touching everyone, touching
Exactly.
everything, you're going to spread your germs. But what happens if I accidentally sneeze or cough into my hands? What am I supposed to do then?
Best option is to wash your hands. Find the nearest sink, get some soap, and wash them really, really well.
Okay, so that's great, but what if I'm not around a sink or I'm out and about and I can't get into soap and water? What do I do then?
You want to look for the nearest hand sanitizer. Just grab some, put it in your hands, and wash them up.
All right, well that sounds good. Thanks for all the great information and teaching all of us how to stay safe and stop from spreading our germs with our friends. Do you want to get up and get moving with me?
Absolutely.
All right, let's go. All right, guys, let's get up and get moving. Y'all know the drill, so spread out, make a little room for yourself, and you don't bump into your neighbors. Are you ready, Scientist Sean?
Let's go.
All right, we're gonna do little ski jumps. So hop side to side here, get your arms involved, get your heart rate up. You got it, Sean? All
This is
right,
great.
let's get moving, a little bit faster. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome, guys. All right, shake it out. Now we're gonna do some squats.
All right.
Add a little something special for squats. We're gonna put our legs up a little bit, and we're gonna sit back. Put your arms up, down, and up. Good job, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, John, 1 more. Awesome. Now shake it out. All right, so we're gonna start. Touch our thighs, touch our toes, back to our thighs, and our shoulders. Thighs, toes, thighs, shoulders. 4 times thighs, toes, thighs, shoulders. 1 more time. All right, good job, guys.
Great. And remember, guys, don't cough on your friends. Cover that cough.
All right, bye, guys. Have a good week.
Bye.